In this video, I'll show you how to build and grow a faceless YouTube channel using ChatGPT and Canva that constantly generates $1,000 to $15,000 every month. Yes, you heard it right. This channel is earning a substantial income each month. How are they doing this? Is it hard or what? Here's the best part, where I will show you how to make like them step by step, using only ChatGPT and Canva. Stay tuned because this could be your ticket to create your first successful YouTube channel. Our first secret weapon is ChatGPT. I'll guide ChatGPT to generate 30 captivating facts that we will use for our videos. Don't worry, I will provide the magical prompt in the video description that you can follow along easily. Once we have our collection of facts, it's time to organize them. We will head off to Excel sheet and arrange them all. Now, it's time to bring these facts to life using Canva. If you haven't heard of Canva, it's an online design tool that we will use to create our shorts in this journey. First, we will find a template that suits our style. Once we have our template, we will add our first fact to it. We wrapped it up, and it looks absolutely fire. All right, next, we will search for bulk option in Canva. Please note that it's not available for the free plane. But the good news that Canva offers 1 month free trial after signing up for the trail. You will finally have access to the bulk generate option. We will click on Enter Data Manually. Now we will copy the 30 fact that we saved in the Excel sheet and paste them in Canva, then press Done. Here comes the fun part. We will link each column to our own text by right-clicking on each text, then select Connect Data and choosing the right option. Ensure that all data are connected, then click Continue, then Generate. With our masterpiece ready, it's time to export from Canva. Make sure to take the download page as a separate files option. The next step is to create a YouTube channel, which is relatively simple, and upload our work on it, and best wishes for you.